Hi everyone, today I'm going to be creating this editorial makeup look and take you through the process of it. So of course we want to start by hydrating the skin. This is a very watery, dewy sort of a look. Of course we're going to be using makeup. So I'm starting by using some liquid highlighter and adding it to the T-zone areas of the face. And then going in with some concealing and corrector. We do want to keep in mind that this is an editorial look, so we don't need to add a heavy amount of foundation, but still need to make the face look extremely clean and flawless. So I'm dabbing in the contour very smoothly, and you can see even on the nose, I do want to create some shape, but I'm keeping it extremely soft and light. Some really important things to keep in mind when we're working for editorial looks or trying to create very dewy and glowy looks is that we want to build up. So as you can see that after the liquid highlighter, I have still gone in and used some on the cheeks even after applying the foundation. I powdered the face on certain areas, but I did not heavily powder on the area that I wanted to look a little wet and dewy. And then I added a little bit more later on. For the eyes as well, I used this blue, very glossy and sheer lipstick. This is obviously a technique which is only usable for photo shoots, for camera, for fashion. It's not something you're going to end up using for any of the occasion or event makeups, but it was looking super pretty. And when you're doing editorial looks, they're very conceptualized, and you can see the lips are glossy as well. I did want to make the eyebrows look lighter, and I was not able to completely bleach them out. So I thought I'll just give a little effect of lighter shade eyebrows by adding some highlighter on top of the eyebrows, which will also make the eyebrows add into the glossy look. You can improvise a lot and create what you like, however you want, depending on what you're working for and what type of photographs and videos you want to create. So I had a vision in mind, so I did my entire look based on that. And then we also stuck some beautiful leaves and stuck some at the back to create this backdrop, which was giving this really earthy look. And for these stones, I had used double tape, which was skin friendly, and it actually kept them on for most of the time, and this is how it finally looked. I also added a little bit of highlighter spray all over the body to give that really glowy, dewy, shimmery effect. As you can see, it really feels like you're in some type of a waterfall or some caves, and these are some details about the makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look. Don't forget to like and share it and subscribe to our channel for many more diverse and different makeup looks in which you can learn so many techniques just by watching us create them. Bye!